So this is Fun with Electronics Project 4, Step 1. What we've done here is in the past projects we have switched our transistors with a single transistor and an LED, and using hand touch the LED would light up, but it wouldn't be very bright because our hands are fairly dry, and so we could wet our hands and make a little bit better connection, but that'd be dangerous. So what we've done here is we've constructed a Darlington pair circuit, which takes the emitter from the first NPN BJT and feeds it into the base of the second NPN BJT. We also have the collector tied, of the first one tied to our positive supply, VCC of 9 volts. And we also have our collector of our second BJT, which has our LED and a current limiting resistor of close to 250 ohms. And so I've got my 2 leads here for my hand touch experiment. When I touch those together with my fingers, the LED comes on very brightly, much brighter than it would have with just a single BJT configuration. Thank you for watching.